What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So, here's the execution video of uh, today's session. So, I basically took this trade pre-market, I would say, and it was almost like close to 14-hour trade. I was looking for those daily swing lows to be taken out today, to be honest with y'all, but it didn't play out quite how I planned it. But still, it did take out these lows that I marked right down here. Um, yeah, it did took out these lows, but yeah, we had PPI news today. PPI didn't do too much, rather than just taking out these lows. And 9:30, you'll see what 9:30 did. But yeah, you can see I entered on the second. I mean the highest candle that formed the swing low, then entered another position within that up close candle that is a bearish order block. Now how can I trust the fact that that would be the highest high um, where I entered? If you look to the left, there are two relative equal highs that been taken out, and when price was gradually trading uh, up into those highs, it became slower. And if you look to the left, there is IFVG, all right, where my stop is right now. There is a IFVG. So if you extend that IFVG, you'll see it perfectly respected that. And that's when I entered my position. And while I was adding another position to my trade, uh, it was trading up into that order block. At the same time, it tapped the lower portion of that IFVG. And we have SCB as well after a minor market structure shift. Okay. So those are the context. I mean, those are the confluence behind my position, why I add this position to this trade. And you'll see how it played out. And to be honest, I expected it to go more lower, but uh, yeah, man. I mean, it's good. It's good to see how I see it played out, how I plan it. I would say, yeah. But if you wanna like trade futures, make sure to check out Alpha Futures and Lucid Funding. Link in the description. And if you want to trade with, if you want to know what broker do I use, it's Bybit. I basically trade indices. It's where I live right now. I cannot trade futures. I mean, I cannot have a live account um, on a futures broker, so I cannot do that. That's why I have to trade indices. And there you can see like price just missed my first partial I mean quarter point. Yeah, just by quarter point I think. But it will uh take me in, you'll see. Mm, yeah. And the second retracement that happened, if you look to the left, we had another bearish order block. And if you take the high and the low where I entered my second position, I mean where I added my second position and the lowest low, you'll see that price tapped into the ODE, optimal trade entry, and dumped. All right, and there you can see my first partial got triggered. And yeah, man, it started melting right now. And also comment down if you took the same trade, how the session went for y'all. And yeah, make sure to sub up and give a thumbs up, dude. Give a thumbs up, sub up. Also follow me on Instagram. And please, bro, follow me on X, dude. I want to achieve. I mean, I want to get to 1,000 followers on X. Pretty, I mean, too badly, bro. Like it's been fucking like 2 years. I'm on X, I think. So do me a favor, go on X and follow me there. And there's the PPN news. It triggered me in. There you can see. Look at this slippage, bro. I got filled just a little bit above that lowest rate, and now I'm break even. And so you can see what I was targeting. I was targeting 24,622 to um that is the daily low, swing low. So that's what I was targeting at that time. and if it played out to those lows, it would have been like a 49 hour, I think, no, 58 hour. I mean, still, it was nice trade, dude. And I'm a bit sick, Chad. Like, I, I again got flu, bro. And that shit irritates me so much, bro. Like, I cannot explain, bro. I hate flu, bro. Uh, I wouldn't mind getting caught up with fever, but flu, bro, I hate flu. You can listen to the cough, bro. My bad, Chad. Yeah. So I basically want you to go on your own shoot and do your own analysis and see how you could have taken this trade with your own strategy. If you could have, I mean, if if you have your own strategy and own PDR that you use to trade, I want you to put that on your chart and look where I entered um, at just, I think, just after the 8 a.m. candle open. All right, so I write down the 8 a.m. 1 hour candle. All right. It's more like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So we accumulated higher into that higher VGs, took out those really difficult highs, and then sold off. There was a minor market structure shift. Price tapped into that CB. We had a bullish, very short block, and price dumped. So yeah, you could have taken the second. I mean, you could have taken the second position where I added the second position. You could have taken that trade if you wanted to. So you can see I took off two more and I had 13 more contract left on the trade. So because I took out two more because price was hesitating to go more lower, and I had my specific price level, what you don't see on the chart right now. Um, yeah, that's why I took out some more position. I mean two more, and you'll see me getting stopped out with the rest of the position that I had on the trade. The 930 will take me out. I'm just gonna fast forward the rest of the video, and hopefully you, I mean, learned something from this. And don't forget to comment down how the session went for you. And yeah, sub up, follow me on X, follow me on Instagram, and make sure to check out Alpha Futures and Lucid Funding. Lucid Funding is basically just 40% off, bro. So I think it's a like good time to get some evils with them. So yeah, I'll catch you guys next week. I'll probably drop the uh, weekly outlook for the next week. And if you have seen the weekly outlook for this week, and go on your forex pairs and look how it played out, just the way I explained. All right, for euro, GBP, and DXY, it exactly played out how I told you all in the weekly outlook video. So make sure to check that out. um, and yeah, hopefully I'll drop the weekly outlook video tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then probably Sunday I'm gonna upload that. Yeah, so till then, be safe, take care of your health, take care of your mental health. Peace out, chat. I'm gonna fast forward the video, bro. Peace.